Hey guys, this your girl, Jean Davis. You know me. I've worked with activist Danny Glover, worked with Jack Zufelt, multi-millionaire, President Merit Award, worked with Ken Rothness, worked with Fran Tarkleton, NFL football player. I've worked with a lot of celebrities, a lot of millionaires and business owners, and I work for a lot of people who have big dreams and goals just like you. Hi, I am Jean Marlo Davis, okay? I'm looking for the go-getters, the dreamers, the hustlers, the business owners, the students. I'm looking for the authors, the coaches. I'm looking for people who have a big dream. You know why? Because guys, listen, I am so excited to announce to you that our Impact Conference is back by popular demand. Yes, every time we do this conference, it's sell out, guys, because listen, people know that when they come to our conference, their lives change forever. And those who've been following me on Instagram and Facebook, you know, we deliver time and time again. I have people who were going to get a divorce, didn't know what they was going to do in their marriage, pretty much just, lost the bliss in their marriage, decide to stay married after the conference. I have people that are working on their book that have had this vision, this dream, this goal for years, and finally they're working on their book. I have a young lady that came to the conference, guys, and she said, Jean, I have a dream, I have a goal, I have this business idea, but I don't know what to do. Can you help me? And guys, listen, we sat down with her. We helped her formulate her game plan. We helped her to market her business. And after 40 days after the conference, she made over $25,000 in her business. We have another gentleman, guys, that listen, he decided that, you know what? He was going to quit his job. He said, Jean, I have enough money saved up. I advised him differently. I said, don't do like me, because I did that before. I went cold turkey. I said, the heck with it. And I left my job. But, everybody can't do like me. But you know what? He said, Jean, listen, don't worry. I got the money saved up. It is time. Just like you said, it's time for me to walk into my divine purpose. And guys, listen, after the conference, he started his business. And I'm happy to report, guys, that he said in the last 6 months, he made over $100,000 in the last 6 months from starting his business. That's why I invite you, myself, my husband, Mr. Bruce Davis, we invite you to your Impact Conference, Purpose, Passion, Power, and Possibilities. It's going to be April the 27th and the 28th right here in Atlanta, Georgia, at the Courtyard Marriott. All you got to do is click on the link below and get registered. Let me tell you something. This is not the conference where you're going to get just talk to death. This is a conference where we're going to put plans together that we're going to help you write your book. We're going to help you start your business. We're going to help you come up with a plan where you can have automation. Automation, you know what that is, where you get paid in your sleep. Just like we do. We're going to show you what we did to earn 6 figures in 4 months online with our own product. So whether you're a coach or you want to be a coach, you want to be a mentor, you want to be a teacher, a business owner, you're a student, or maybe you're someone who Jean, I just don't know what I want to do. I invite you to come to our Impact Conference. Impact, Purpose, Passion, Power, and Possibility. It's time for you to walk into your divine purpose. It's time for you to drive your passions. It's time for you to release your power so you can have endless possibilities. Everybody need a coach. Everybody need a mentor. But you know what? We need people who have already done it. And we've already done it. I've been off a job 17 years. I have time freedom. I have money freedom. It wasn't always like that. I used to be a single mom, struggling with 4 kids. I was abandoned with my kids, and I had to figure it out. And guys, I'm so very grateful. As you can see, I'm happily married by God's grace and mercy. Our business is due to do multiple 7 figures this year. And that's because we took a chance on ourselves and began to believe more. And then guess what? When you begin to believe more, you begin to surround yourself with like-minded people. See, listen, when you begin to invest in yourself, see, that's the main thing that you got to do. You got to invest in yourself. I remember as a single mom, I heard about this conference, this multi-millionaire. They say he was one of the top business owners out there and sales and things of that nature. And I knew that I wanted to grow my business. And I was like, okay, I don't have $5,000. Now, this conference is not going to cost you $5,000, but I want to give you this example. At that conference, it cost $5,000. And I was like, I don't have that. And I said, but you know what, Jean? I'm going to get it. I'm going to find it. And guys, listen, it's so funny. When I made up the decision that I was going, I got a phone call, because those who know me know that I'm an ex-IRS auditor. I got a phone call and someone called me and said, hey, look, I got tax problems. Jean, hey, listen, can you please work with me and help me? And guys, I was able to help them. And guess what? They paid me $5,000. So when you begin to believe, you begin to walk into your divine purpose. You believe to walk in faith. I'm telling you, the universe will correspond to the nature of your song. So I want to invite you to the Impact Conference. I want to shake your hand. I want to help you with your vision. I want to help you to release your power. Yes, there's going to be a tax and financial piece. I got to do that. That's my background. I'm an ex-IRS auditor. I have over 20 years tax and financial experience. We have our speaker that's going to be dealing with Dr. Sherry Gallant. She's going to be dealing with your health is your wealth, because we need to make sure that you stay here so you can make the money that you want. We have the phenomenal Darrell Vincent Lee. This man right here is a millennial, and I'm telling you, he shook the house the last couple of times. He talked about dare to dream. And of course, we're going to get into the mental, the spiritual, the physical, the financial, the emotional, and making sure you understand how important it is to have the right relationships. Guys, listen, I thank you so much for your time. Go ahead, click on the link below, get registered, and listen here. I have something special for you. The first 4 people, no, I say 5. The first 5 people, somebody's trying to call me while I'm recording this. The first 5 people that get registered today, what's today? The day is the 12th this weekend. I give it 24 hours. I'm going to automatically upgrade you to VIP. All you got to do is send me a text message and say, or send a picture of proof that you registered to 678-457-9493. Again, 678-457-9493. And I'm going to upgrade you to VIP. I look forward to inviting you to your Impact, seeing you at your Impact Conference, because it's your time, it's your turn, and we got to make it happen. God bless you. I see you at the Impact Conference in April. God bless.